Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Yes, finally a new vlog. Today I didn't really have time to make a video, so I'm just gonna record a random update vlog. I had courses all day at the university, but tomorrow I will upload a new video and I think it's gonna be about the latest leaks and rumors about the new iPhone 12. Even I didn't had time to make a video, I wanted to post something, so that's why I'm doing this vlog. This month is gonna be really interesting because of the launch of the new iPhone 12. I think it's 13 or 16 October. I don't remember exactly, but I can't wait to see the new iPhones. We already see the new A14 chip and it's really powerful. Saturday I'm gonna go back home and I can't wait because here the internet really sucks. I uploaded all my videos this week from mobile data, so that's not really good idea and it's really hard, but I managed to do it, so it's okay. And man, it's really hard to edit on the laptop and I can't wait to go back to my PC. So I think this is gonna be all for today. Tomorrow stay tuned for the new iPhone 12 leaks and rumors, and I don't know, see you tomorrow. So stay tuned for tomorrow and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you like this vlog, make sure you hit that like button and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.